find the golden hearts. Love, it is spread in the air, welcoming people from different walks of life. Care and understanding will let this surround us, keeping our shoulders to lean on. Unity and cooperation, we got this with or without a pandemic, helping others wholeheartedly. Truly, the young and the old in the Western Kayapat district have golden hearts. When it comes to learning, educators here are competent, compassionate, and reliable. Even this difficult time, teachers move mountains reaching out to the learners. From the printing and distribution of modules and learning activity sheets to the monitoring of students in the distance learning, teachers experience different scenarios. We smile, we laugh, we sometimes sigh. Difficult it may be, yet fulfilling in our hearts. Oh, how we love to mention our dear learners. Oh, how we miss them truly. Whatever type of learners they are, still, each of them has space in our hearts. As we say, being a teacher is my profession. This is my job. Teaching is my passion. Undoubtedly, the young and the old mentors in the Western Kayapat district have golden hearts. For the continuous improvement in our district, the stakeholders join hands without doubts, smiling and nodding to our requests for the betterment of our learners and the school as a whole. Definitely, the young, the old, the rich, the poor in Western Kayapat district have golden hearts. With a marching band of love, care, understanding, unity, cooperation, and guidance of the Almighty God, as napisali to the Western Kayapat.